Hello guys, today we learn what is Excel VBA. To implement this, you will require Microsoft Excel. Now let us understand Excel VBA. VBA means Visual Basic for Application. Is a programming language developed by Microsoft. It is primarily used for automating the tasks in Microsoft applications like Excel, Word, Access, and Outlook. Here we learn in Excel all the tutorials related to it. Now let us see where you can use for VBA. Some common usage for VBA like automation. VBA Visual Basic for Application can automate repeated tasks such as data entry, formatting documents, or generating reports. Second one is customization. User can create custom functions and procedures that enhance the functionality of Office application to better suit their specific needs. Data access. In Excel, VBA can be used to manipulate large data sets, perform calculations, and create advanced data visualizations. User forms. You can create interactive forms in Excel and user interfaces to collect and manage data more effectively. Integrations. VBA can interact with other applications and databases, allowing for the exchange of data and more complex workflow. Also, you can do that error handling in VBA. It provides the tool for managing errors and debugging, making it easier to create better applications. Now let us see how can enable the developer tool tab in Excel for Windows. For this we will go on the file menu tab, then go to options, then put customize ribbon. Then after that you can see main tab developer checkbox. Here you can see like file and go to option, then developers. Now open Microsoft Excel and like create new blank sheet. After that, if you want to enable the tab for developer, go to file, go to options, then go to customize ribbons. When we go customize ribbons, then there is option you can see developers. So need to check this and click on OK. So when you click, you can see developer option will be enabled. In developer options, you can see like Visual Basic, macros, record macros. Many options there like add-ins, Excel, com, insert. Like you can see this is a form controls you can see, and the properties view code run dialog. You can do that by shortcut like right click on this bar, and here you can see customize the ribbons. So directly you can reach here customize ribbons and developers, and then you need to click on OK. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.